You may have heard about this. In fact, this is something I have been meaning to ask these folks about, B12 injections. There's a lot of benefits, I've heard, and I'm excited to learn a little bit more about that and how we can get them. We're here today at ANEU Med Spa in McFarland. We've got the expert, of course, on with us. We've got Amy Newmauer. Thanks so much for having us here.
Thank you for coming.
We love being here.
Thank you.
We're always looking to get a little more energy and look a little bit more youthful. So tell us about B12 injections. What is B12, first of all?
So B12, to begin with, it's an essential vitamin within your body that's needed for our bodies to function. So it helps with your brain and your nerve tissue and all your blood cells. It pretty much affects every tissue within the body. It has an impact. B12 can naturally be found usually through foods that you get in your diet, like through meat and through dairy, proteins, things like that. That's where you can find it. However, when we're using it here in a clinic setting for our clients, we're getting it from a man-made version that's made in a laboratory known as cyanocobalamin. It's a really long name, but that's just the man-made form of what vitamin B12 is. And vitamin B12, again, you normally find, like in your multi-daily vitamins, you'll always find a B complex within your vitamins because it is just that essential as part of your daily diet.
Okay, so we know we need the vitamin.
Yes, exactly.
Do we get enough?
Right. And I know there's a lot of benefits to B12 vitamin, but can you tell me like some of the main ones?
I don't know if we have enough time today to go over all the benefits. No, honestly, the list really is endless, but the big thing, what you were talking about earlier and hinting to, is energy level. It really helps with your energy, improving your mood, keeping you going all day long, along with improving energy. It also helps with your sleep cycles, actually, so your circadian rhythm. A lot of people are going to report better, more sound, even sleep. The big thing, it also helps process carbohydrates and fat.
Ooh,
so
I knew there was a reason I wanted this.
Improving metabolism, aka aiding in weight loss. So that is the big thing. You'll see a lot of like weight loss clinics also offer vitamin B12s because it is a big factor into increasing your energy. Therefore, you improve more of your metabolism and you lose more weight. Along with helping just your tissue, again, it helps also help grow new proteins within your tissue, so aka collagen. So your skin is better and healthier. It can actually help with your hair. So it can actually help with hair growth and actually slow hair loss. But again, the big thing is energy. It just keeps you going, maintaining, having more energy versus dealing with like the highs of a cup of coffee and caffeine. You're good for a couple of hours. You just feel really steady throughout the entire day.
Wow, that's good for the caffeine junkies, not that I know any. I was just thinking energy. I had no idea there was all of those extra benefits, so that's really nice to know. I am curious, so this is an injection, right?
Yep.
Where do you get it and how does it work?
So it's considered an intramuscular injection, so we are injecting it into the muscle, so either the deltoid, so the arms, or the more common one, honestly, is the gluteus maximus, the buttocks.
Okay.
Just a little bit more tissue there. It's your total preference, though, as to where you want to be injected. It honestly takes less than 5 seconds.
Really?
We clean the skin, inject it. I don't want to ever use the word painless, but a lot of clients are shocked and they're like,
That's
are
it?
you done? You did it, and they don't even realize that I've
my
done it type
gosh.
of thing. So I'm sitting kind of tapping to distract them. So literally less than 5 seconds to actually perform the injection. Most clients, by the time they're coming in to walking back out, 5 minutes.
Why is it every time I come here I need the thing we talk about?
I know, isn't that the truth? So it's relatively quick, and then how long before you experience any of the benefits from
So
it?
the initial treatment protocol is going to be 1 treatment weekly for 4 weeks.
Okay.
Then after that, most people are floating between every 2 to 4 weeks for their frequency. And as to determining that frequency, it's really you as the client, the patient, trying to feel out the benefits, because you will notice a difference. I really don't get people that say, I can't really tell. You notice. And as to how long that lasts is kind of unique to the person. So again, every 2 to 4 weeks is kind of a range for maintenance, but I will say a lot of our clients stick in that higher frequency of every 2 to 3 weeks. They're busy professionals, busy moms, they get a lot with their family. They like the increase in energy. So just usually I say get on a regular schedule so you're doing it consistently versus like, okay, I'm feeling really good and I can feel it wearing off. Just get on a schedule so you maintain that energy and that benefits all the time.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this.
Yeah.
So
add it
are
to
there
the
any
list.
downsides or risks?
The real risk is that you might get a bruise, it might hurt, a little bleeding at the injection site. That's really the greatest risk, but that's still incredibly slim. There are some contraindications for where we would not treat a client, and that's people that might have Leber's disease, a really unique one, it's an eye disease, liver disease, kidney disease, if you're receiving any like bone marrow treatments, things like that.
Okay.
That's just where we won't simply treat you. But honestly, B12 is nearly safe for everyone because again, it's an essential vitamin that's needed for our bodies to function optimally, so nearly everyone can get it.
Oh my goodness. Well, that
Yeah.
sounds fabulous. I can't
Yeah.
wait to try it. I don't know about you.
I know, right?
I could use a
Oh
little
my
boost
gosh.
in energy. I think we'll do that today. Thank you so much, Amy, for having us
Thank
today.
you.
Yeah, so
Thanks.
nice to be here. We'll be back with more